Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for coming back and watching our videos. We are so excited to be back and doing videos, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my fall home tour. And I know a lot of you guys like our decorating videos and kind of seeing what I did. This year I kept it pretty simple and just kind of really nice little details here and there that just make your home feel really homey and great for the fall season. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So first, starting outside, this is kind of what I did. I kept it pretty simple and just did a few things to kind of decorate my porch. So coming up the steps here, I just have a pumpkin sitting right on this straw bale, and then I have this lantern and this Happy Harvest floor mat. And I will try to link stuff if I can, but a lot of this is like from TJ Maxx, so I'm not able to link it. Then I have this tin can here, and that is from Hobby Lobby, and I just put some mums in there. And then also this Hello Fall sign is from Hobby Lobby, and it rotates to the back, and it's for Halloween, so it works really nice using it for 2 holidays. And then this Hello Fall wreath is a wreath that we did in a DIY, and I can link that for you guys. Super easy, and it makes your door just pop and look really pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and head on inside. Okay, so when you walk in here, it first starts in my living room, but I'm going to turn you guys around and we're going to take a look at the entryway. So I just have my bench on the bottom, and like I said, I'm keeping it really simple this year with my son and everything. I just want to keep the decor pretty simple in the house. And so on this bench, I just have this Thankful and Blessed pillow from Hobby Lobby. This really pretty wreath here is from Big Lots last year, or 2 years ago I got that one. So you may be able to still find it, but it's super pretty. And then this Fall Sweet Fall sign is from Hobby Lobby. So then that's what it looks like. And then over in the corner, I just have a pumpkin and a vase with some cotton in it. All right, so now heading into the living room. Don't mind little sun over there. It's morning time here and it's shining in bright. But over on the couch, I just have some pillows, and the plaid ones are from Kirkland's, and the Gather one is from a local store here in our town. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find that for you guys. And over in this corner, on the top is a pumpkin from TJ Maxx, and that Give Thanks sign is also from that one I got from Hobby Lobby. And then on the second shelf, I get this black lantern here is from Walmart. Super inexpensive, I think only like $4. I did have those on my fireplace for my winter tour, and I've just kind of been using them year round. And I just stuck a pumpkin in there. And in the bottom, this little glass thing here is from Hobby Lobby, and then I just put some different pumpkins and some greenery from Walmart. And the TV stand here I kept super simple again, with just some garland in like all over the top of it, and then these cute little cotton arrangement is from Big Lots last year, and I put some leaves in there just to kind of go with the garland on the TV stand. And now heading over to the fireplace, the 2 candle holders are from Kirkland's, and I can link this. This is just from an Etsy store. Everybody kind of has these, and I just love the way that they look, and these were pretty inexpensive, so I thought they would look so cute, especially now adding my son's name. And then a pumpkin on the top. And this Let's Stay Home is from Hobby Lobby, along with that lamb's ear wreath. And then I just stuck in some picks that I got from Dollar Tree actually, and I just kind of stuck those in the wreath. That letter R is from Hobby Lobby. The cotton arrangement is from Hobby Lobby, and then I just stuck some of think that pick is actually from Walmart, and I just kind of put that in to go with the rest of the theme of the kind of orangey, burnt orange colors that I'm going for this year. Okay, so now walking into the kitchen area here. On the dining room table, I just kept the same vase that I had a couple times ago now. I think I've kept it on my table, but it just looks so pretty and I like how grand it is. And I stuck in some of these leaves, and then it also lights up, which is really pretty, especially at nighttime. And on this little door area here, I'm just gonna switch on the light. So now this is something that my husband made from an old door that we had, and I just love decorating it and kind of adding some different stuff for each season. And so on the bottom here, that thankful sign is a DIY me and Carly did, and I can link that for you guys. And that little basket next to it is from the Target dollar spot, I think in the springtime this last year. And I just stuck some picks in there just to kind of make it a little more fall. And then as you come up the top here, the Be Thankful and Grateful sign is from Hobby Lobby. This little wagon here is from the Target dollar spot, I think in the springtime as well, or summer. And then I put some pumpkins in there and then just some moss. And then this is just my wreath that I always have hanging up on the top of the door. So now coming into the kitchen, for fall decor, all I did was this little tray sign here. And I just put a pumpkin. I believe this one is from Dollar Tree last year. And this Hello Pumpkin sign is from Walmart. And then I am burning a white pumpkin candle, and that one is from TJ Maxx. They have such good candles there, and so many of them I wanted to buy. They were so good. And then coming over just in the corner, I have this Gather Together sign, and that one is from Big Lots, and that was a few years ago, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find that one for you guys, but they have tons of different really cute stuff from Hobby Lobby as well. And then on my stove, I just have this Grateful little tea towel, and that one is from Hobby Lobby. All right, so last but not least, coming over to this little area that I love to decorate for different seasons. Once again, super simple, but just kind of stuff you can throw together really easy and on a budget. And so as you come forward here, this lantern on this side is from Gordman's, and that one is bought quite a few years ago. And this crate in the center is from the Decocrated Box that we unboxed, and I can link that up for you guys below. I love how versatile it is, and you can use it for different things. And I just put some mason jars in there, along with just some different kind of picks that I've gotten throughout the years. And I believe all these ones are from Dollar Tree or Walmart. And then this little sign is from the Decocrated Box, and then there's just a little picture of my son when he was 4 months old. Crazy, he's almost 6 months. And then on the bottom, I just have a letter R from Hobby Lobby, and then that pumpkin is from a local hardware store here in town called Menards. And I think they still have them, so if you have one of those, you can definitely go check it out. And that is what that little area looks like. And then over on this door here, I just put a wreath as well. And that one I got from Big Lots, and I love how big it is, and it just makes the door look really nice. And that is pretty much my fall home tour. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching my fall home tour. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and don't forget to like this video, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.